Upper screws.
Open the hood and remove the 3 screws at the top.
Screws to the wheel housing liner.
Remove the 3 screws to the wheelhouse liner.
Screws to the fender.
First, you have to remove the wheelhouse liner about halfway. To do this, remove all necessary screws. As soon as the wheel housing liner has been loosened enough, we got access to the 2 screws. The first screw is at the rear end, screwed upside down. The second one, a little bit further forward below the headlight.
Bottom screws.
The bumper is still mounted with 3 screws from below. Remove them.
Removing bumper.
Once all the screws have been removed, pull the bumper sideways out of the guide. The hose coupling for the headlight washer system is on the left-hand side. And so is the central plug of the electronics. On the plug, first pull the red lock a little backwards. Then disconnect by pressing and pulling at the same time. Squeeze the hose coupling at the blue points and pull off. The washing liquid can be reused. The bumper can now be completely removed. Push both hooks apart to remove the sensor. To unplug the parking sensors, pull the gray lock backwards a bit. Then push the lock down and disconnect. Be careful to not lose the rubber seal.